This is the flex room. Could be an office or something. This is should be the living room. And then dining room over here. It's like all in one open space. Then we have the kitchen. All open concept. This is the door for the walkout to the deck. Once that's made, as you can see, it's elevated. Pantry. Cabinets. Gas range. Hood. Sink. We have a dishwasher. That's where the fridge will go. Then we have the microwave. Powder room. This is the office. What does this do? Oh. Office area. Mudroom. Closet and stuff. You have the garage in here. It's a 2-car garage. Let's see the basement. This is the mechanical room for electrical, sump pump. It's just an open area over here. So a fully finished basement with a walkout into the backyard. This is the other mechanicals: HVAC, furnace, tankless water heater. This is a basement bedroom. So it's a decent size. Has a window and then a closet. Decent sized closet. There's also a full-size bathroom in here. Some closet for stuff. Full bath. So let's go upstairs. So it's an oak staircase. So the first thing that you see is a open loft area. You have a laundry room in here. Then you have the master bedroom in here. As you can see, there's a tray ceiling. This is one of the closets in the room. Master bath, dual vanity, sink, toilet room. Then you have this massive shower with a bench and 2 shower heads It's a Roman shower. You have closet space. And you have another closet in here. Then we'll check out the other rooms. It's another closet over here. See, this is another room. It's a decent size, I guess. And this one has a nice size walk-in closet. And it has a nice window, so natural light. This is the hallway bath. So it's a full bath, dual sink vanity thing. Lights, toilet. Yep. And this is the last bedroom. So this closet is not walk-in, but it's decent size.